run by you. Some things look better, baby, just passing through.
It's time for Good News with Marcus and Corey.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sometimes all you need is one good thought to make it a great day. So let's do this. It's Good News on Star 101.3.
It's Friday. This hour, Good News brought to you by Shriek & Company, luxury timepieces, fine designers, flawless diamonds. Corey, tell me some good news.
Well, traffic on the 405 near came to a complete stop due to a mother duck and her little duckling. I love when people come together to help animals. So, like, 3 different cars stopped to block 3 lanes of the traffic, and then they quickly went getting the ducks to the side of the road.
Cute.
Only about a 10-minute delay. I mean, I'm sure some people were what was going on, you know? And then the Washington State Department of Transportation tweeted that the family had safely moved off the highway and everybody was okay.
That's awesome. Well, listen, we're all about animals on this show, so any story like that's going to bring us joy. I want to remind everybody, if you want to have your voice heard and help save the Foster City geese, there's a geese situation in Foster City. City Council's deciding to go ahead and, well, kill 100 of them just because they're
not in a humane way.
That's the thing. We got to figure out some sort of solution. The solutions that they're proposing do not sound humane to us.
No.
So if you want to have your voice heard and contact City Council, contact the mayor. Be civil about it, please.
Yes. We don't want to antagonize anybody. We just want to find a solution.
The hashtag is Save Foster City Geese. You can get all the info and get involved on the Marcus and Corey Facebook page. We're doing good news right now. My good news is personal. You all know I had shoulder surgery a couple of months ago. I think we're in week 8 of rehab. It's been long. It's been ridiculous. But watershed moment this morning. I am now able to apply deodorant to both my pits. Even with my busted shoulder arm.
Don't like the word pits. I don't know why. I was watching a show the other day and she was discussing her pits and I just went, ugh.
I don't know why this is the pinnacle of my existence right now, but I guess if you've had shoulder surgery, you know how difficult it is to move your limbs around to be able to get up in there in the crevasse.
I thought maybe you could, like, put a stick of deodorant, like, attach it to the wall.
Just nail it to the wall.
And then you, like, drive by.
Rub my pit up and down.
Stop saying that word.
Hey, this is a personal triumph.
It's not.
That's my good news. 7:40 and 8:40 weekday mornings. We're going to do a check of what's trending here in a couple of songs. What do you got?
Amber Heard won't go away.
Sweet.
And Joe Coy, Chelsea Handler's talking about their breakup.
Yeah. And she's blaming him for everything. Is that what I read?
I don't like her.
We're going to a couple of minutes. Hang on. It's Star 101.3. Good morning.
Well, you done me and you bet I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're tongue, checking my tongue in the mirror. Bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass. I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
You're waking up with Marcus and Corey.
On Star 1013.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool and style. I'll do it till the sun goes down, and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on my yeah, yeah, yeah. I know so you are somebody else. I put
theme song rolling into the weekend. More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 1013, 850. It's Marcus and Corey.
This is what I'm talking about. It's what's trending on Star 101.
What's happening in entertainment news, the biggest stories of the day, and everything people are talking about today in the Bay.
Amber Heard won't take a hint. After she lost her case against Johnny Depp, they did the whole motion of juror fraud, which got thrown out. And now they are appealing the verdict. I don't even know why they're doing this, but her spokesperson says they're appealing the verdict. They know it's going to ignite the Twitter bonfires, but we need to ensure both fairness and justice. I just don't understand why she doesn't stop, because Johnny Depp's not even making her pay the money.
If your career was floundering, you had nothing else to do and no other choice, you would fight this to the bitter end. I'm saying.
But I think you're making yourself look. You look like a sore loser.
Yeah, she needs somebody around her that's going to tell her that.
And the lawyers aren't, because they're just going to keep making money.
Yeah.
So go away, Amber. We told you a couple days ago that Joe Coy and Chelsea Handler broke up, and she did it in the weirdest way. She posted their 1-year anniversary, and then used that to announce that they are not together anymore. And we were kind of speculating up or just a break.
And then whenever we announced that, it was very amicable. It was like, we still love each other. We're still friends. Go see my man's movie, because he's got a movie, Easter Sunday coming out this weekend that is set in Daly City. He is in town today. We are going to go talk to him in a matter of hours, and I'm stoked about this. I'm Team Joe all day.
Oh yeah, I don't. So she went on the quote bent herself for Coy.
Yeah.
She said no one cheated or anything like that. Line. What does that mean?
Don't know.
But it doesn't sound good for Joe, and I just don't think that's necessary. Famous. Be quiet.
Go see his movie. I love him.
Yeah, great guy. This is kind of a topic that I'm very sensitive to. My mother introduced me to butterfly gardens when I was younger, and she would plant certain plants in her yard to attract butterflies to have their migration, so they'd have places to stop and feed. Well, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature says that monarch butterflies are endangered, steps away from being extinct.
Wow.
And because this is not a federal government announcement, they're not going to do anything to put protection orders in place. So what you can do, find some of those butterfly-friendly plants, plant them in your garden, because that just makes me so sad.
Butterflies are great.
They're amazing.
If you ever have the chance to go down to Santa Cruz, there's a spot, I can't remember what it's called, but I've taken the family there one time, and you can see dozens of butterflies just congregating. Pacific Grove, same thing. It's beautiful.
One day I'll show you my butterfly tattoo.
Please.
It's not just one, it's kind of a...
Okay.
It's kind of a thing.
I read a great headline, especially today for Furry Fridays, as we try to get dogs adopted from Muttville Senior Dog Rescue. Dogs' tails move to the right when they're with humans that they love.
That's like... Does it just center and then go to the right? It doesn't go to the left?
Researchers say that if they like you, dogs will wag their tails more frequently to the right. They analyzed 21,000 dogs in the study. They noticed that if you meet a stranger for the first time, over the course of 3 days, as they get to know the person, they start wagging their tail more frequently to the right and less to the left. I didn't realize tails didn't wag
just equally to
like
each side.
Equidistant. I hope I used that correctly, but that was interesting to me, just as a couple of dog lovers here in the room.
I think that people in my apartment building are starting to get really annoyed with me, because I would basically just start cuddling with their dog without even asking. I miss my dog so much.
Furry Fridays is today, as I mentioned, and we're showcasing dogs from Muttville Senior Dog Rescue. That's our partner today. Got to say what's